Today we are going to discuss about sex determination. There are two types of chromosomes. Autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes and allosomes. Autosomes and allosomes. Allosomes also called as sex chromosomes. Allosomes or sex chromosomes. So what are the two types of chromosomes? Autosomes and allosomes. Allosomes are sex chromosomes. Other than sex chromosomes are called autosomes. Sex is determined or sex determination. Sex determination or sex is determined at the time of fertilization. Sex is determined at the time of fertilization. Sex determination by sex chromosomes. Sex determination by sex chromosomes. Sex differentiation. Sex differentiation by hormones. Sex differentiation by hormones. Sex determination by sex chromosomes. Sex is determined at the time of fertilization. Sex is determined at the time of fertilization. Sex determination by sex chromosomes and sex differentiation by hormones. And there are different types of sex chromosomes. Henking, scientist, traced X body. Henking observe the X body in wasps. During spermatogenesis, 50% receives one type of chromosomes, other 50% receives another type of chromosomes. So Henking discovered the X body. Later on, this X body is named as X chromosomes. Nowadays, it is called as X chromosomes. So X body was first discovered by Henking. Later on, Wilson and Stevens and Wilson conducted experiments on mealworm. Scientific name is Tinebrio mollica. This is the scientific name of mealworm, in which they discovered the Y chromosome. So in these organisms, Y chromosome determines the sex. So Stevens and Wilson discovered the Y chromosome in the mealworm. That is about X and Y chromosomes. If the organism contains same type of chromosomes, that individual is called homogametic. Why it is called as homogametic? The individual has same type of chromosomes like XX, that is homogametic. If the individual contains different types of chromosomes like XY or X0, this individual is called heterogametic individual. So this is heterogametic, this one also heterogametic. Different chromosomes are present, that is heterogametic. Same chromosomes are present, that is homogametic. Once again, I repeat, if the organism contains similar type of chromosome, that individual is called homogametic. This homogametic individual gives similar gametes. These are the similar gametes. If the individual contains different chromosomes, that individual is called heterogametic individual. It gives different chromosome or gametes or dissimilar gametes. One gamete, X gamete, and gamete with Y. So heterogametic individuals produce dissimilar gametes. Homogametic individuals produce similar gametes. That is about basic information about sex determination. There are different types of sex determination methods. They are chromosomal theory of sex determination, and second one is gene balance theory or genetic balance theory, gene balance theory, and third one is haplodiploidy. There are three types of chromosomal sex determination methods: chromosomal sex determination method, genetic balance theory, and haplodiploidy. Let us discuss about first one, chromosomal sex determination. In chromosomal sex determination, there are different types of sex determination methods. They are male heterogametic and female heterogametic. Male heterogametic and female heterogametic. Coming to chromosomal sex determination methods, first one is XXX0 method. XXX0 method. XXX0 method. Second one is XXXY method. In these two, first one is female and second one male. Here also first one female, second one male. Here male heterogametic method. This is male heterogametic method. And second one is Z0 ZZ method. Z0 ZZ method. And last one is ZW ZZ method. ZW ZZ method. In these two, here also first one is female. Female heterogametic. Males are homogametic. Females are heterogametic. Males are homogametic. Here there are four types of sex determination methods. This is chromosomal sex determination. Chromosomal sex determination. First one is XXX0 method. Here females are homogametic, males are heterogametic. Here also females are homogametic, males are heterogametic. In this method, Z0 ZZ method, females are heterogametic, males are homogametic. Here also, this one also, females are heterogametic and males are homogametic. And coming to next point, here males and females are different. Females contain more number of chromosomes than the males. Here females contain more number of chromosomes than the females. Here males and females contain same number of chromosomes. Males and females. Here number of chromosomes. number of chromosomes. Females contain more in number. Here both are same number. Here females contain less number of chromosomes than the males. Here also females and males contain same number of chromosomes. The second one, number of chromosomes. Which are the following methods of sex determination in which both males and females contain same number of chromosomes? XXX0 method and ZWZZ method. Coming to next one. Example. XXX0 method is exhibited by bugs, grasshopper, and cockroaches. Bugs, grasshoppers, and cockroaches exhibit XXX0 method. Here, XXXY method is exhibited by humans, human being, and Drosophila. Z0ZZ method is exhibited by moths and butterflies. Hemia also, example hemia. ZZW method, reptiles, birds, and fishes. So what type of sex determination method in fishes? ZWZZ type of sex determination method. This is our example. And coming to next one, sex determination method in XXX0 method, 2 autosomes and 2 X chromosomes. This is female. And male, 2 autosomes and X0. This is male. During gamete formation, AX gamete and AX gamete. That means female gives similar gametes. Male gives dissimilar gametes, AX and A0. That's not O, it's 0. Here, this is 2 autosomes XX. This is female. This one, 2 autosomes and X0. This is male. Same type of combinations also there. Sex determination one is in XXX0 method, males determine the sex. Male with X0 determine the sex. That means sperm with A0 determine the sex. In XXX0 method. In general, males determine the sex. That is about XXX0 method. In XXX0 method, females are homogametic, males are heterogametic. Females contain more number of chromosomes than the males. Example, bugs, grasshopper, and cockroaches. This is sex determination method in which sex determination factor is males. Male determine the sex determination. Sperm with AO determine the sex. This is male. And coming to next one, XXXY method. Here 2 autosomes and XX. This is female. 2 autosomes and XY. This one is male. Both contain same. Total number of chromosomes are same. During gamete formation, females gives similar type of gametes. Males give dissimilar type of gametes. Here, the female is ova fertilized with the AX ova fertilized with the AX sperm. These are the sperms. Males produce sperms. So here AAXX, this is female. And second combination also this one. Here AAXY, this is male. Remaining also same. Remaining combinations. Here sex determination factor is male. Male determine the sex. Male means sperm with AY determine the sex. Sperm with AY determine the sex. Sperm with AY combination or sperm with AY determine the sex. That is about XXXY method. XXXY method in which females are homogametic, males are heterogametic, in which both males and females contain similar number of chromosomes. Example, human beings and Drosophila. This is about sex determination method, in which sex determining factor is male. Male with sperm with AY determine the sex. Sperm with AY determine the sex. That is about XXXY method. These two XXX0 and XXX0 method and XXXY method. Here males are heterogametic. That means this is male heterogametic method. Male heterogametic. Male heterogametic methods. And coming to next one, Z0, ZZ. Here two autosomes and Z0, this is female, and two autosomes ZZ, this is male. Female gives dissimilar gametes. They are AZ, ova with AZ, A0. These are the ova. Males gives AZ and AZ. That means here in this method, males give similar gametes, females produce dissimilar gametes. These are the sperms. AZ ova fertilized with the AZ sperm. AAZZ, this is male. This is male. And A0 sperm be fertilized with AZ. A0 ova fertilized with the AZ sperm, that gives or produce AAZ0. This is female. This is female. In this method, what is the sex determination factor? Males or females? Females determine the sex. Females determine the sex. That means ova with AZ, that is this one. Ova with AZ, ova with A0. Right. Ova with A0 determine the sex. Ova with A0 determine the sex. That is about Z0, ZZ method. Z0, ZZ method in which females are heterozygous, males are homozygous. Males contain more number of chromosomes than the female. Example, moths and butterflies. This is our sex determination method, in which females determine the sex. Female means ova with A0 determine the sex. Female with A0 determine the sex. And last one is ZWZZ method. ZWZZ method. Here two autosomes ZW, that is female. Two autosomes ZZ, this is male. Female produce dissimilar gametes. AZ gamete, ova with AZ and other ova with AW. This is AZ and AZ. Males produce similar gametes. Females produce dissimilar gametes. Females produce dissimilar gametes. So these are the sperms. AZ ova fertilized with the AZ worm. It produces AAZZ. This is AAZZ. This is male. And this one combines with the ova with AW, fertilized with AZ sperm. AAZW. AAZW, it is female. Here also, which ones determine the sex? Females determine the sex. Female determine the sex. Female means ova with AW determine the sex. Autosome with AW determine the sex. So these two are male heterogametic. Yeah, this one is male heterogametic. This is female heterogametic. Female heterogametic methods. Heterogametic methods. Female heterogametic methods are Z0, ZZ and ZW, ZZ. Male heterogametic methods are XX, X0, XX, XY method. Female heterogametic, in which females determine the sex. Females determine the sex. In male heterogametics, male determine the sex. Male determine the sex. Male heterogametic with the same number of chromosomes method is XXXY. Male heterogametic with different number of chromosomes XXX0. Female heterogametic different number of chromosomes Z0, ZZ. Female heterogametic similar number of chromosomes ZW, ZZ. What type of sex determination method in birds, fishes and reptiles? ZW, ZZ method. What type of sex determination method in butterflies and the fumia insect? Z0, ZZ. What type of sex determination method in human beings? XX, XY method. What type of sex determination method in cockroaches? XX, X0 method. Which of the following methods in which males are sex determination factors? Are males determine the sex? Male heterogametic. Female determine the sex. Female heterogametic method. That is about sex determination method. That is about chromosomal theory of sex determination, in which various types of sex determination methods.